What's up guys, welcome back to Hack Idea Trick for Speedy Hit number 8. Sometimes to transfer liquid items from bigger jar to smaller bottles create problem. Spillage can also take place. To make this process hassle-free and reduce wastage of product, we can use foil. Just take small piece of foil and fold it as shown here in this video, and then make a funnel shape out of it. Make sure to lock it from top by just pressing it in the top corner and then make a cut on its tip. Place this funnel on the smaller bottle and check its adjustment. It should be properly sitting on it. Now add the liquid item which you want to put in any particular bottle. I'm using oil here. Now try adding little bit of liquid portion on your foil funnel and try to clear the hole with the help of smaller knife. It will start flowing smoothly and it won't spill here and there if all the methods are followed as I have shown here. In couple of minutes you will see that your smaller bottle is full. You can stop and just check if there is any spillage with the help of tissue or any particular cloth. You may also try any of these silicone funnels if you are frequent user.